Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, the phone number's in the description box. Please grab those numbers and call those numbers every day, and don't be nice to them. I know they're going out on recess tomorrow morning, but still, blow those numbers up. They'll get the message. And also their local offices, blow their numbers up. Y'all, the $2,000 stimulus check that I'm always talking about, I still feel confident that we'll get it. It's just a matter of when and how long will they make the American people suffer and still prop up Wall Street, but turn a blind eye to us. Y'all, it must be tough being a senator, working all those long hours. You work 40 hours a month. Then you take a whole month off for recess. I hope the people will protest at Mooch McConnell's house the whole time he's on recess. Also, I hope they protest at his local office the whole time, day and night. I hope they don't give him a minute's rest. He don't deserve it. He's on recess, but he's still letting the American people suffer. Y'all, this whole thing, we need to know exactly where to lay the blame. And the blame lays on Mooch McConnell. Every bit of it is on him. Y'all, I try to cut it down the middle, and you know I don't really care for Nasty Nancy. But she's done her job. She created the bill. She sent it over to the Senate. The Senate has just sat on it. They have not done nothing. We can't blame Nancy Pelosi. She's done her job. We can't blame Donald Trump on this because he can't do anything with it. It's up to the House and the Senate. Well, the House has done their job, and they sent it to the Senate, and they're not doing anything. Donald Trump can't do nothing until they get it to him. We have to vote that scumbag Mooch McConnell out of office. Mooch McConnell said yesterday that they will work on the stimulus package in July when they get back from recess. Isn't that sweet of him? Today, the June job report comes out. They're going to use this flawed system to determine if we need a stimulus check or not. Right now, there's no talk for a stimulus check. They're going to use this job report to figure out, do we need one? Mooch also said that in this package, they're going to be concentrating on employment, health care, children care, and liability protection. No mention of a stimulus check. They are wanting people to return to work. Where in the hell are the jobs at to return to? Mooch McConnell, would you for one time in your life get your head out of your ass and do something to help the people? Y'all, I'm sorry for my language, but I just wish I could meet him face to face and make him understand how the people needs help right now. The government closed down the country. Now it looks like they're turning a blind eye to the people. We're the people that put them in office in the first place, and they're turning their back on us. Y'all, I really believe that we will get a $2,000 check. It's just when and how long will we have to suffer and lose everything we have? There's people that don't even know where their next meal is coming from. And people like Mooch McConnell, they don't care. They're living large. I wish there was a way to hold their pay until they fix this thing. They created it. They closed the country down. They made people start losing everything they got. They made people lose their job. They made people lose their businesses. They've made a lot of people lose their life through suicide. Y'all, we have to get them out of office. Please call those numbers. Call the White House phone number that's in the description box, and also call their local offices. And if you're around where they live, it don't matter who they are. If they're a member of the Senate, protest their house. Protest at their house. And if you're around Mooch McConnell's house, turn it up about 10 volumes. Y'all, I love you all. I make these videos every morning at 6 a.m. They go live. Please come back tomorrow and just know I love you all, and we will get out of this thing. It's just going to take a little longer than we wished for. I love you all. Ciao.